Welcome back. In news overseas, a resolution aimed at limiting President Donald Trump's ability to wage war in Iran has failed in the Senate for the fourth time. If passed, the war powers measure would have halted U.S. military action in the conflict without congressional approval. Senators rejected it 52-47, largely along party lines in the chamber, which is run by the president's fellow Republicans. Democrats said they plan to introduce similar measures every week, even if they did not pass, so each lawmaker's stance on the war can be recorded. While most Republicans have blocked the resolutions, some said they could vote differently if the war continued beyond this month. Trump has offered varying timelines on how long the war might last. He told Fox in an interview aired on Wednesday that the war was close to over.